Alright, so today we are making this old exhaust system no more. I ordered a Clark's custom dual exhaust. The not so loud ones, because there's a really loud one and then there's just a normal one. So I got the normal one, but this thing's gonna look so badass. I ordered new new studs that come out of the exhaust manifolds, some stainless steel ones, so I'm gonna have to replace those ones that are in there. I'll hit them with some PB Blaster and then some heat in case I need it. But right now I'm gonna let the car cool down a little bit because I just had it running right now to show the old exhaust sound, so we can compare it to the new one. All right, so here it is. This is the system and the hardware. You see I've already unwrapped one of them because I just wanted to look at it. Yeah, these things are gonna sound real nice. Way better than just the $30, I think it's a thrush muffler. I think that's what it is, the thing with a bird on it. Yeah, so this one has the muffler and then resonator and chrome, so awesome. Okay, my first duty of business, taking off these, and then this where I made a hanger, and then this thing just drops out and then I can throw it in the garbage. No, I'll just keep the whole thing, but all right, so now hopefully these aren't a bitch to get off. PB Blaster here. That one had a bolt in it, so was no stud coming out. I'll just clean those threads up, and then PB Blaster torch. Maybe get some. Oh no! What I'm gonna do first is a double nut. Put 2 nuts on here, and then hopefully it'll come off like that. Might need to use vice grips. Who knows? We'll see. But I'm not gonna take the logs off because I don't have a vise to hold them. So this is gonna be like the most secure place to do it. So these are some sons of bitches. You see, I've already I used the vice grips right there, kind of chewed up the threads. But luckily, if I still wanted to, I could use it because all right there is fine. I could throw one of the new studs in here, brush these ones up, call it a day, throw the exhaust on, have fun. Cause geez, these things are a pain to get off. All right, the hell with it. We're just gonna reuse the old studs. I want to hear this exhaust, so I've already got this side going on. So I've got jack stands supporting it. Yes, I want to move it around a little bit. I got to get the little donut in there and snug it up a little bit, move it around, get it right where it's supposed to be, and then figure out how the hanger's supposed to go. Okay, so tight from here. Yeah. Okay, this one should be all right because we got the hanger though. Let's see how much it drops. It was low, so I loosened it up right here, and then got this wood, so it would go up higher, but I think right about here is where I want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and readjust back there, make sure the exhaust donut seats good. So it looks like I'll need to change my mounting location because I was thinking of it when I was putting it here, but basically when I release the support from here, this just sags down because this is able to move. You can see right there, it just kind of goes down. It doesn't go down all the way because the jack's there. But There is another hole up there, but that one doesn't even look like it has threads in it. I think the threads are stripped out of that one. But that would be a better choice for mounting it. It'd be easy to do somewhere over there, but if you do it to the body, since the body's not vibrating like the motor is, then it'll start to come loose from back here. At least that's what I've heard. So it's best to mount it to the engine. So I'll look around, maybe I can figure something out. So this hole is stripped now. So here I can't really mount it there. This is preferred to mount it on the engine, but I think I'm gonna have to do up there by the battery tray. I think that's all I can do for now. So maybe later I can figure something out, but hopefully I won't have any problems with it. If I do, then I'll have to figure something out. If I don't, then I'll leave it like that. This side, this is kind of the only thing I can think of right here. Have a mount there, like the old janky one. Okay, so it ends up that this pipe right here actually shakes more than this one, and it sags down more. You can see that one's there. This one's here. So took the hanger off. I twisted this because this was facing that way, so the hook was like that right there. So I twisted it, and I'm actually going to use these there's like self-tapping screws there, and we're going to mount it about up there somewhere. Okay, so there's the finished product right there. I had to cut off like a whole circle and then grind that down a little bit. I ended up using the hole below it, and this thing is solid, not going anywhere. Dual exhaust. This one came out a little closer over here. I can just move this one a little more over here. But look at that. We got dual exhaust on here. Yeah, these things are sick. Can't wait to hear what they sound like. Okay. So. Whew. Ignition on. Gasoline. You guys ready? I'm ready. So I was expecting a I wonder how it sounds when I rev this thing up, but I was expecting a little bit of different kind of a noise. I mean, these do sound good. Give it a little rev. Oh, okay, that does sound nice. I don't need this junk anymore. So I'm just gonna clean up, bring the car off the ramps, just take a spin around. Yeah.